Seniors. Time never stops. Youth runs fast, but wisdom learns to pause. And remember, and getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. It means becoming wiser and more valuable. Today we're talking about a powerful natural secret, a fruit. Mentioned in ancient wisdom and even sacred texts, the fig. This humble fruit not only strengthens your body, it can actually help repair your eyes and vision while you sleep. Before we start, a quick hello. If you're new here, welcome to Healthy Way Hub, the place where we talk about natural foods, healing habits, and timeless health secrets that help you live stronger, longer, and happier. So make sure to subscribe and stay with us, because your best days of health can still be ahead of you. Friends, our eyes, these tiny lamps of life, help us see our family's smiles, read our favorite books, and watch the world in color. But as the years go by, sometimes those lamps begin to dim. Blurry vision, dryness, eye strain. These aren't just signs of age. They're reminders that our body needs care and nourishment. And the good news? Nature has already given us a silent healer, something that works gently inside your body while you rest. That healer is the fig. When you eat figs before bed, you're not just having a snack. You're giving your body a natural repair kit filled with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Inside every fig are nutrients that help rebuild eye cells, reduce dryness, and slow down the effects of aging on your vision. Figs are rich in vitamin A, C, E, and zinc, all known to support healthy eyes and clear sight. Did you know? In Mediterranean countries, elders still eat figs before sleep. They say, when the body is tired, a fig brings peace, and in that peace, healing begins. While you sleep, your body enters its natural repair mode. The gentle sugars in figs calm your mind, allowing deep healing rest, while their vitamins and minerals begin restoring your vision at the cellular level. So imagine this, in the quiet of night, while you rest peacefully, the nutrients from those sweet figs are at work, repairing, rebuilding, and reviving your eyes from the inside out. When morning comes, your body thanks you, and your eyes greet the world with more clarity, more light, and more life. Seniors, let's now understand what really happens when you eat figs before bed, and why this simple habit can do wonders for your eyes, your sleep, and your overall health. See, the fig isn't just a fruit. It's nature's quiet miracle, a complete food that's been healing people for thousands of years. From the ancient Greeks and Egyptians to the wise healers of the Middle East, figs were called the queen of fruits. Why? Because they contain almost everything your aging body, and especially your eyes, need to heal and rebuild. Inside every fig are powerful nutrients that act like a repair team for your vision. Vitamin A strengthens your retina and protects against night blindness. Vitamin C improves blood flow to your eyes, keeping them nourished. Vitamin E slows down age-related damage and dryness. Zinc helps regenerate eye cells and tissue. And a mix of natural antioxidants protects your eyes from internal stress and fatigue. Now here's the fascinating part. All of this happens while you sleep. As your body enters its nightly repair mode, those fig nutrients go to work. They restore damaged cells, hydrate your eyes, and calm inflammation that builds up during the day. So when you wake up, your eyes feel refreshed, relaxed, and brighter. The spiritual side. Figs aren't just powerful in science, they're sacred in spirit. Even in ancient scriptures, they were mentioned as a symbol of blessing and renewal. When you eat a fig before bed, you're not just nourishing your body. You're honoring a piece of nature that carries healing energy and divine wisdom. For centuries, elders around the world have ended their day with a few figs, not as a luxury, but as a ritual of gratitude. They believed that figs bring peace to the heart and strength to the body. A reminder that even at night, life is quietly repairing itself. How to use it. Here's how you can make it part of your nightly routine. Before bed routine. Take 2-3 dried figs. Soak them in half a cup of water overnight. Eat 1 or 2 before sleeping. Or have them first thing in the morning. That's it. This one simple ritual can support your eyesight, digestion, sleep quality, and even heart health. My dear seniors, every sunrise is proof that your story isn't over. Your body still listens, still heals, still responds. It just needs a little care and patience. Weak vision or tired eyes aren't the end of youth. They're a gentle reminder that it's time to love yourself again. You've spent your whole life taking care of others. Now it's time to take care of you. So tonight, when you eat that sweet fig, remember, you're not just eating a fruit. You're keeping a promise to yourself. I will care for my body. I will honor my age, and I will let nature heal me. Because your eyes aren't just for seeing, they're for feeling life, recognizing love, and witnessing beauty. And when you care for them, you keep your world bright for yourself and for the people who love you. If this message touched your heart, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Way Hub. Here we share natural health tips, simple habits, and time-tested secrets to help you live stronger, longer, and happier. May your nights be peaceful, your mornings bright, and your eyes full of light.